Also new tonight, the parents of a 2-year-old who was shot to death are now being charged, even though they didn't pull the trigger.
Yeah, tonight, prosecutors holding them responsible now for this young person's death. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick live with why prosecutors are saying the charges are all about responsibility. Brian.
Yeah, Mike, well, we know the person who actually fired the gun's not responsible. That was a 3-year-old child who inadvertently shot his younger brother. Now, prosecutors are saying the people who are responsible are the ones who left the loaded gun in a drawer with a bullet in the chamber. She didn't pull the trigger.
Selena Farrell.
But Selena Farrell, the mother of the child shot, is charged.
Charged with manslaughter in the second degree, carries up to 10 years in the state penitentiary.
It's a case prosecutors say crosses the line to the point where irresponsibility turns deadly, but something even a long list of charges can't prevent.
It's not the law that's the problem, it's the parenting.
Commonwealth attorney Rob Sanders says he does not consider the shooting death of the 2-year-old to be an accident.
I really don't like the term accident because I think accidents, in my mind, are unavoidable.
Sanders says what happened at this Warren Street apartment complex should have been prevented by the parents. Investigators say the parents were asleep in the living room and woke to the sound of the gunshot and their 2-year-old with a devastating chest injury. Their 3-year-old had found a loaded gun with a round in the chamber and inadvertently fired the shot. Sanders says there had been no effort to lock the gun or secure it in any way.
Something as simple as unloading the gun could have prevented this tragedy.
In the moments after the shooting, the mother, Farrell, took off. Days later, she was found in a Florence motel along with the father, Tashawn Adams. He's also charged with manslaughter.
Understand the charges?
Yes.
It's a case prosecutors believe turned poor decision-making into a tragedy and a crime. Yeah, and so another strange twist in all this. The mother took off, was found in that Florence motel. When investigators caught up with her, they asked her why she took off, and she told them because she wanted to be sure she could attend the funeral of the 2-year-old. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.